Do you know how food is turned into feces? This is a very special video. If you are eating, please cross away. First of all, when you're hungry, you put food into your mouth. The food is chewed by your teeth. The starch in the food is digested by the amylase enzyme in your mouth. Produces a mildly sweet taste. At this point, the food moves down with the saliva. It reaches the 25 centimeters long esophagus. The esophagus detects the food and contracts and peristalsis. The food is transported to the stomach. The red folds in the stomach lining are also constantly stretched. The food is ground up more. The thick stomach acid and digestive enzymes. The food is broken down twice. When the object becomes a more crumbly morsel, it is then passed into the small intestine. During this process, the abdominal glands secrete membranous fluid to neutralize the stomach acid to aid digestion. Next, the liver secretes green bile. It effectively dissolves the fat in the food, making the food more easily absorbed in the small intestine. Most of the nutrients in food are absorbed through the small intestine and then transported to all parts of the body. After a long process of digestion and absorption, the food residue then arrives in the large intestine. The large intestine is also responsible for collecting the few remaining nutrients. Other residues can be seen along the way. The deeper you go, the narrower the passage becomes. Eventually, it accumulates in the colon. Eventually, it forms feces. When a certain amount has accumulated, you will have a strong urge to pass stool. So, do you know where all the feces that are held back go?